Oh my goodness, it's so great to be here with you today. I have my sweet little puppy with me. She's almost always back there. I think she's back there behind me every video I make, but sometimes you can see her, sometimes you can't. Her name is Sister or Sissy. She's a little Boston Terrier and she's about a year and a half old, and she's just my little sidekick. She is wherever I am and just absolutely love and adore her. And today I want to talk about kind of fragility versus resilience. Fragility versus resilience. Hi, this is Robin Nielsen. I'm CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. And this is a thing. When I was in kind of the worst of it with all of my health issues, when I had hit my kind of my rock bottom, when I was just struggling with so many things, I was exhausted, just exhausted. And I think that, that's our biggest clue is energy levels, because if we have really good energy, our body is functioning well. It's a lot more resilient. As our energy decreases, we become much more fragile. So it's this concept of, fragility versus resilience. And as we're discovering some of our health issues, as we're kind of discovering how deep we're in it, we've got to be more careful about our choices. We need to protect our energy a whole lot more. We need to be careful about how we spend our time. We need to be more careful about, what we eat, how much we sleep. We really need to tend the fire. Literally, we need to tend the fire. We need to heal things. We need to heal our digestion, our adrenal glands, our detox systems, our thyroid, our brain. We need to heal all these things, and we need to start making, our sex hormones again, because that's a lot of times what we stop making because we've been so stressed out for so long. So we need to get our bodies back into balance. And as we're doing that, we're more fragile, and we need to be a lot more protective. And we need to say no a lot more. Does that make sense? Say no to things that don't serve us. We really need to be a lot more selective. And then as you replace what's missing, as you get those, much needed vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and protein and fat and carbs into your body to rebuild, when you start getting better sleep, when you're hydrated a lot better, when you when you can start moving your body to get those little cellular powerhouses going again, then you start to become more and more resilient. And that resilience allows you then to be more flexible with how you take care of yourself. So the idea is to get stronger and stronger and stronger so that your metabolism, your whole body is just, and your brain, they're just more flexible. So you can, travel and it doesn't take you out. You can, potentially have a meal that isn't just perfect and you can digest it fine. You can maybe stay out late one night, and it doesn't take you out for 2 days or 3 days or a week. So we want to get you to a place where you're just a lot more resilient, where your body can flow a lot better. It can recover a lot faster. But until that time, you really have to treat yourself as the healing person who you are. So you have to, honor the fragile place that you're in and really protect yourself until, you start to get that energy back, until your metabolism picks up, until your brain is on board, So, yeah, just be really protective of yourself, and until you can do more, until you can do more hard things, because that's what we're striving for, is Even when we don't feel great, we want to push ourselves to get the momentum going, to get our energy started. So that's for another conversation. But for today, I just want you to know that there's a place for fragility, which is where I was when I had, all my health issues going on. I needed to focus on me. That's where I needed to focus. I needed to stop focusing out here. I needed to focus right here. And if you're in it with a lot of health issues, you need to focus right here and really pay attention for quite a long time, possibly up to a year, if not more. And then you will know when you're ready. You'll know when that resilience is building up. You will have the energy to do more things, to step into bigger things, to bounce back a lot quicker. And you'll be able to feel it. You'll just know, you'll just be there. You'll have more flexibility and more resilience and celebration for sure. So I just want you to pay attention to, fragility versus resilience. And no matter where you are on your health journey, you're always working towards more resilience. And, everything that I share in these hot hormone tips, in my private programs, Robin's Hormone Reset, all of it is all towards building more resilience so that we can do those things that we love and it doesn't take us out, literally. All right. Choose you. Choose you, and let's get you feeling a whole lot better. All right, sending you lots of love.